Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be editing in KineMaster. I'm going to show you how I'm going to edit up a really quick YouTube short. If you guys are not on the short train, you need to jump on it quickly because YouTube shorts are going to be hitting hard here in the next couple of months. So I'm going to quickly edit up a quick one here. I got my MOZA Mini MX here, which I'm doing a 15 to 30 second video on how to set it up really fast. So let's jump into KineMaster. I'm going to edit it all up here. So I'm going to jump in here. I haven't used KineMaster in a while. I just downloaded it this morning, and I'm surprised at the updates that I'm seeing here. They made a lot of really good updates, especially this page here with the formats. So I'm going to do here, I need vertical videos, so we're going to go 9:16 here. I shot a bunch of footage on my phone, my device here. I was using Mcpro. So I got a bunch of clips here. All right, so I got all the clips in here. Yeah, this is a little bit easier for me to scroll through and find the clips that I want. And I think we're just going to get straight to the point on assembling the gimbal. So this little first clip here, let me go back and go ahead and just delete that. We don't need that one right now. Okay, yeah, listen, this is it right here. We're going to start off with this. I like that. We're going to go ahead and there and then chop that. Let's just kill that everything to the left. And also while I'm at it, let me bring in my music because I like to, for me, building videos to the music is the way I like to do things. And here I got my track, which I downloaded from ArtList. Just a little bit. Let's turn that down. Okay, I got my music here from ArtList. That's where I get all my music from. It's license free, so I don't have to worry about copyright issues. I'll have a link down in the description. You can get 2 additional free months if you guys use my link. But it's fantastic. If you're a content creator and you make a lot of videos, it's the way to go. So I got my tracks here, and what I want to do is I want to find the most powerful part of the track because again, we only got 15 to 30 seconds here, so we don't have time to waste, okay? So I think it's going to be about right here. I think it's going to be the power point of the song. Yeah, the build up. And if you tap this red arrow right at you can mark it. See, I put that little marker there, beat marker, which I think is super fantastic. Okay, that just gives me a visual reference there on the track so I can see what's going on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video. I'm gonna cut this music down here. Trim to the left, right? And then let's go ahead and drag that. Sorry, PGA Tour's bugging us right there. And let's go ahead and just bring this over, slide it all the way to the beginning. Boom. All right, so we got that. Oh, that sucks. It doesn't slide the markers. It kept the markers over there. Well, that's all right. We can do it again. So we got the markers. Now that gives us a reference to line up everything. So let's go to our first clip. Boom. Good. Go ahead there. I want to cut that. Split at the playhead. And then I want the next part to pop in quickly. That took too long. We gotta come in faster, right? So let's go and trim that down. Let's see what that's like. Okay, that's better. Right there, split playhead, and then this one here we can delete. And the next clip, screwing that in. We'll go just to screwing that in. Right there. Okay. Okay, we don't need too long. We all know how to screw in a tripod. Okay, and then let's... Okay, the next one will be this pulling this down here. Boom. I would like that part to hit on a beat. Boom. When we pull it down. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that to line up on a beat. Okay, and this trim here, let's go ahead and trim that. Trim to the right. That looks like it might happen. Okay, that works out good. Trim that. Trim to the right. That's already 7 seconds. Okay, next will be this part here, just extending the head, how you pull the head apart. Boom, boom. Okay, let's go ahead and trim to the left. Oh, that lines up perfect with the music. Okay, that lines up perfect with the music. Trim to the right. And then next will be the foam popping in. Okay. I don't like that. I like the, you see how I left the phone on the floor and I picked it up? That's funny. Tack. I think we can cut it out. Tack. Right there. Trim to the right. And let's see what that looks like. Oh, okay, that hits very well. Okay, and then actually split here because I have some more footage again. This time, yeah, of us putting the phone in there. Boom. Let's bring it just right there before I bring it in. And on this one, let's just slide that over, right? Let's see. Okay, you know what? I think it even takes too long here, like the holding. Boom. Right there. Let's kill that. Trim to the right. Okay. How long is it taking? Oh, it takes a little too long to put that in there, okay? Because we're already at 16 seconds right there. So it looks like we might have to do 30. Boom. I'll just stop it right there. Trim that to the... Actually, this is a split the head there because I want to see what we got next. Then after that, I think we can just... Okay, let's see if we can get that to swing around and maybe hit a land on the beat. Boom. Okay, I like that. Let's end that there. That lines up pretty cool. Let's trim that to the right. And then after that basically comes... Okay, I pull out the legs. I don't even think we might even need that, but let's just see. Again, creep it in just before I enter the frame. Trim that there. Oh, too long. That took way too long. Yeah, it's got to be faster. Trim that to the right. I like where that ends at. Trim that to the right. And then on this next clip here, okay, boom. Okay, this part is actually probably going to take some time here. We're at 15 seconds. I think we might just let this all play out. This is the most important thing about balance. Boom. Okay, yeah, that's good. Boom. Let's kill that right there. Trim to the right. That's the most important part about a balance, is balancing the gimbal. And then I power it on. Okay, let's see how this works. Right, let's just go straight where my hand comes in the frame. Right there. Trim that, trim to the left. I want to get that where I slam that down. I want to get that on the beat. Okay, so let's see if we can get that to line up. We turn it on. Boom. And then let me trim it here. Split at the head. And let's see if I can get this to line up to boom. No, too fast. We're already past the 30-second mark, but whatever. Let's just make it good if we're going to be... Our limit is 1 minute. Boom, there it is. Good, that's it. And then here, actually on the next beat right there, I love these markers on there. That is so helpful. Let's trim to the right there. And then what I do is I have some slider shots I want to kind of throw in, like this one here. Like we zoom in, it kind of dollies in. We got one to the side there. Okay, let's do this one to the side. Let's take this one. We don't need this one. Let's delete that one. Just like some silky B-roll here at the end, right? Okay, that one kind of works good. We got it like here, just off to the side. Let me trim it to there. And let's see. I think it was beat, in between, beat. Where was the next beat? Oh, I missed it. Let's get the beats going here again. So I think it was beat, beat. I'm going to go in between the beat on the and beat, and then we'll go ahead and split it at the playhead. And then let's find, actually that's it for that clip. We don't need any more from that clip. This will be the final push. Yeah, let's just kind of like, this will be the final finale. No, that one happens way too slow. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, take this one, delete that one, and then I have this shot there. This is the shot we want. We ended up on the logo right there for the money shot right there. And it doesn't need to be long. So we're already at 35 seconds. Still not too bad. Okay, yeah, and this last clip we don't need. Let's go ahead and delete that. So, boom. Boom. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, here's a little bit of bonus here. So basically after I made that video, I went back here and started adding on some just top elements here. And you can see I just basically used some of the free stickers.